Content Manager OnDemand provides fast access to information stored in the system, dramatically improving account management productivity and customer self-service. In today's video, a monthly statement has been received and reviewed by the customer. An issue has been identified and customer services has been contacted. The customer service representative, working directly with the client, resolves and documents the issue, and then analyzes the account in order to identify additional plans and programs that would satisfy and delight the customer. We begin with the customer, Carolyn Thomas, who has both a business and personal account with Telco. She is enrolled in paperless billing and has received her monthly statement electronically. Carolyn opens the email and sees that links have been provided for both her personal and business accounts. She clicks on the link to review the monthly statement for her personal account. After verifying her credentials, Carolyn is automatically redirected to a page showing an overview of her monthly statement. She notices that her bill is more than twice what it should be, so she clicks on View Bill to look at the details. Carolyn is able to see a breakdown of all the charges on her bill. She is also able to view past statements directly in the browser or download it as a PDF. She sees that her bill includes a charge for the previous billing cycle in addition to a late fee. She knows this is a mistake because she had sent them a check for the previous bill. Carolyn clicks on Chat to open an IM session with a customer support representative and explain the situation. As a customer service representative, Dave Adams is responsible for resolving customer issues in order to improve satisfaction, while also influencing the company's business results. Dave has gotten all the details he needs from Carolyn. After asking her to stay online, he opens up Account Management and searches for Carolyn Thomas using her account number. The search quickly yields a list of statements for Carolyn's account. Dave sees the increased total due for the most recent statement. Dave opens Carolyn's statement to verify the details and confirms that she was indeed charged the balance for 2 months and a late fee. To see where the problem could have occurred, Dave begins by doing a search for the transactions reports. These are computer-generated output of all transactions logged by the system. He opens up the most recent customer transaction report and selects Find All to see transactions related to Carolyn Thomas. The search returns a list of transactions related to both of Carolyn's accounts. From the transactions history, Dave notices that her business account was credited twice in the last billing cycle. It seems like her payment should have been applied to her personal account instead. He also notes that her business account balance has been increasing due to additional fees being applied. Dave wants to confirm the scan check in question, so he opens up a search tab and looks for checks with Carolyn's bank account number. He opens the applicable image and sees that Carolyn's payment was received, but as the account number was not listed on the check, it was applied to Carolyn's business account. Having identified the issue, Dave begins the resolution process by creating an annotation on her current bill. Dave brings up the chat window and explains the error to Carolyn and lets her know that he'll correct the error and remove the late fees from her account. He also comments that her business account has had a number of usage fees applied over the last several billing statements and asks if she would be interested in some additional analysis of her business account. Carolyn accepts this offer. He starts by finding all of Carolyn's business account statements, selecting them, and choosing Mine with RMS to begin his content analysis. Dave begins his analysis by viewing key details from Carolyn's monthly statements, grouping the statements by the amount of fees charged. At a glance, he can see that Carolyn's most recent statements all have had additional fees applied. After viewing Carolyn's usage statistics, Dave clicks on the Chart button to graphically display the data. From the generated graph, he observes that Carolyn's use of data and messaging is trending closer and, in several of the last months, has exceeded her plan's limits, while her minutes are barely used. Dave returns to the chat window, shows the usage graphic to Carolyn, and suggests an alternative plan. She accepts the offer to move to the recommended plan as it better matches her usage requirements and is more cost-effective than paying extra fees every month. Carolyn thanks him for his help and ends the chat session. Dave needs to process the changes to Carolyn's current bill and upgrade her business account plan. To start the process, he needs to send an email to the accounts department. First, he selects Carolyn's current personal account bill and clicks on Send as Link. This opens up a new email window. In the email, he documents resolution of Carolyn's billing error. In addition, Dave provides instructions to upgrade Carolyn's business account plan. All relevant documents are provided as links in the email. This keeps the content within the repository, reduces the overhead of sending attachments, and restricts access to only those with correct permissions. In this video, we have shown how IBM Content Manager OnDemand is used as an account management solution for the telecommunications industry. Customers have access to their statements online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while businesses can quickly capture, access, manage, and mine their content across all systems to provide efficient and superior customer service. For more information, please contact IBM. Thank you.